today right over here we have two little kids, Carl and Kovia. We're going to play in the splash zone together. We have to check the temperature for the safety for everybody, the guests and the kids and the adult. So the staff right over here is very professional to check for everybody. Okay, including myself. Beep 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 beep. Thank you. And for me, please. Thank you. To enter to play the flash zone, you have to have a tag on your hand. How does it look like? Can I see? Here is a safe place for kids and adults because every place they have about 2 life guides over here, so you don't have to worry so much. But of course, make sure you eye on your kids when you enjoy this pool area. So where's Carl? Are you ready to jump?
Smash that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Scary, right? How was it? Nice? It's too slow, right?
Yeah.
And another one is coming. That's your sister.
Yeah. Before we go to butts, maybe we should play hide and seek.
Oh, how are you going to hide?
Like we can hide.
Okay, you go first.
We want to tell my little sister.
Okay.
Guys, what up? We're going to go down the slide, but I'm not going down the slide. You guys are going down the slide, okay? So we're gonna get up here.
Okay. Alright, Carl, your turn.
Okay, guys, are you ready? You're going down the slide, not me, okay? So, if I'm correct, I'll just put it right here, and you guys will go down the slide. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go to Anchor James! Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to go for a flight. So subscribe and smash that like button. So yeah, wait. We had to smash that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn all those notification bell, okay? So you never miss another video, okay? Okay. Let's go. Go. No, you will go there so I can slide down that. Oh yeah, okay, you go. You go first. Let's go. No, Coco, you will go there. Okay. No, Coco. Oh, okay. Go down there. Okay, guys, we're gonna go meet my little sister there. Are you ready? Let's just do a handstand.
You gonna take me?
Yeah. We're gonna take this, okay? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So slow.
You good? Yeah. Bye bye. Hi guys, now we're going to butts. Okay? We're going to the butts right now. If you can see, here is the butt sign. And we're going in right now, see? Look at this. We got the big entrance here. Hi Uncle Jim. We got Kovia. And everybody else. Okay. I want to go first. So, we're going in now. Look at this place. Let's look at this place. We're inside this thing now. So we're in butts right now. We're gonna go in, guys. Look at this. This thing has changed a bit, you know. Look at this. Kobe's here. Yeah. Uncle Jim's down there. Is he there? No. Wait, where is he?
How's everything on the top?
Good.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna do the slide.
Which slide are you going to go?
You wanna get up? It's over there.
Really? I don't think I can go out, right?
Follow me.
Okay, go.
Follow the hose.
I don't think I can go out, you know.
See?
I cannot go out, right?
Here.
I'm too heavy, I'm too fat.
Oh.
So which slide are you going to take?
Okay. We're going to over there, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you got the secret. Wait, what's that? Okay. It's a mirror. We're gonna go here. Are you ready, guys? We're gonna go down. Kovia will go down first, okay? Because we'll show her a cool thing. So, okay. Kovia will go over. You go. Okay. The slide right here. I want you to go first. Okay. I'll go first. Yeah. Why, guys? Can you pass me the GoPro? No, because I'm up here, you're way down. You're way up there. So I'll film you. Are you ready, Kovia? Come on, let's go. Okay, Kovia's gonna hold the GoPro. Hi, guys. Follow me, baby. Go. So, guys, let's go. Let's go. Guys, you're gonna go up here, okay? So we're going to head here. You're down. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Go. Let's show the camera to me. Nice. Okay, guys. Now I handle the GoPro, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's go, guys. Go back here. No, maybe we should go to the other slide. Okay. Maybe we should go down there first. This is the kind of. This is like a slide. So we're going to go down. Whee! Okay. So let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Here.
Uncle Jim's here. We're gonna go film. Go. Look at this, guys. It's a little hot fire slide, but we don't know. Let's go. Hey, guys, the stairs. Let's go. Yeah. Sure. Guys, we're gonna go in. Look at this, guys. Wait. Oh, it's laser tag. Laser tag. Let's go. How are you gonna cross hiding? Guys, this is gonna be kind of hot, man. Not that hot. Okay. Oh no. Oh gosh. We gotta go, man. Okay. We're gonna go to the next one. Emma, you good? Okay, she's there. Hi. Come on, get out. Okay, let's go. We have to go to the. Look at these guys. Whoa, it's so huge. Uncle Jim's down there. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna go to him in a bit after this slide. Okay. For this slide. Let's go, guys. For this. Okay. Let's film Kovia first. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's so slow. Now my turn. Let's go again. No. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're gonna go to Uncle Jim. Uncle Jim.
I'm going to need to go show me the stage. Do you know what about the stage?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. And mate, guys, there's no sand here anymore. Whoa.
It's not sand, it's a beat something, right?
Yeah, it's beads or something. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go to another place, guys. I'm climbing this thing.
Wow. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to is the stage, right?
Yeah, we're going to the stage.
Come. Where is
See
the
you
stage?
here. Hi, Daddy.
Okay, where is the stage about?
Okay.
Oh, over here.
It's
Superstar.
Yeah.
So what you can do right
Okay,
over
I'm gonna put the GoPro here.
Okay. I see. So here you can be a superstar, right?
Oh. This has
Are we going to the next place?
I wanna see.
What else?
Yeah, you can touch the screen.
No, what? We're going to the next room.
Okay, guys, we're going to the next room, okay? Let's go. Guys, we're gonna go to the next room. Anyway, the next room is here.
That's right.
Yeah. It's here. This is the art room. The art room.
Oh, so this is.
The art room is closed though.
Let's go. Okay. You want to go?
Oh.
Different.
Okay, can you hold the camera, Uncle Jin?
Okay, sure.
2 cameras.
Okay. Here you can see it's very dark inside. Actually, supposedly they were on the light and let the kids to do the painting on the wall, and they would off the light and the magic will come out like this. It's beautiful. And right over here, they will let the kids to wear the protection so they will not get more stain on the dress, the beautiful dress or the beautiful pen. You okay? Are you ready to paint?
Yeah, let's take my brush.
Your brush. Where's your brush?
Yeah. I'm gonna paint
The big one?
super hot fire.
Uh-huh. And where's your slipper?
It's on my cheek.
Ah, okay. So they'll give you a slipper and the protection, right?
It's not a bit purple.
Okay, let's go and do the painting, right?
Go. Move.
Something new? Oh.
Is that green? Oh, yeah.
Oh, so the paint is like glow in the dark, right? Beautiful, right?
Look at that face. Oh my god. Why is so many we don't need people, you know why?
The kids, they're going to draw everything on the wall and then in the end, we're going to turn off the light and you see the beautiful painting.
The magic happens.
Yes.
So, I'm going to use red.
You want the light to be on? You want to ask the Cheche? Tell the Cheche. After you do all the painting, you have to wash your hands and then you have to wipe it dry. There will be a paper for you, hand towel. Wipe your hand dry and then we go to the next room. Ready? I'll wait for you. I think there's a party room. Are we allowed to go in? Yeah. Your slipper, you have to remove your slipper. So it's for toddler, it's for baby to play everything around here. Yeah. So that if your kids is way too small, little baby, then you can bring your kids to come here and play. Oh yeah, you want to show me your secret entrance? Where is it? Shall we go to the secret entrance? Let's go. Come here, let's go. Secret entrance. I don't know, you have to show me.
I don't know where it was, but I only remember it was upstairs.
You have to show me, right?
Let's
Go.
go. Why are you laughing? I'm not sure.
Go. Okay, one last game, okay?
Let's go. You laugh first.
Wait, I'm where? Is that the back? Huh?
No.
Here.
I want to do this.
Where is the secret entrance?
I don't want to do this.
You scared?
Yeah.
Why you scared? I thought you can do that.
I cannot.
Why? Because
I'm going up. Bye.
bye. Okay, come, I'm going to follow Kovia. End of the game. All the activity, the kids will receive balloons. So there's a gold color transparent.
Pink one.
And wow, there's some color special for request for Korea. Pink balloon. Have you said thank you?